Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is we had to discuss about with one interview scenario question. So this scenario is mainly one of the most important scenario. So we'll look into this first. Senior management of a small company, some X, is aware that certain divisions do not employ a large number of low-paid workers. So his intention is do not work with large number of low paid workers. He would like to know how to get these workers pay up to market rates for the upcoming evaluation cycle. Please find the person that makes the third least money for him. So please find the person that makes the third least money for him. If the third lowest is not available, the query should return the second lowest. If the second lowest is also not available, then should return the first lowest. So that means, so here we had to identify the least third employee. Okay. So that means bottom three employees, bottom three salary details we had to get. If bottom three not getting, then we had to find the second lowest. If second lowest is also not getting, then we should get the first lowest. That is each department wise. So here I have written one query called as so. So first of all here, before this explaining, I will create with one table, the table called as so this employees table. Okay. So in employees table, I have created as so employee ID, employee name, department ID, employee salary. Sample table created, and the same thing I have done with the inserting the records also. So for this, first we had to get this part. So this part means select star from row number over partition by department ID, order by EmpSalary DESC. So this means here row number. So we will get the row number function. Okay. So row number function will get the unique record over partition by department ID. So first we'll check with the data, how it is the data before explaining this. If you look into this part too, here I have the 8 records are available with different department IDs 101, 102, 103 and employee salaries. So here if we check with this part row number, partition by department ID. So each and every department wise partition and we'll assign the row number. That is, for example, 101, 45,000, one unique number. 101, 47,000, unique number. 101, 49,000, one unique number. Next, count of 1. We'll get the how many number of employees in the department. For example, if I execute this, I get the row number. For example, if we look into this department ID 101, I get the row number 123. Similarly, 102, 123 and 103, 12. And within the department, in 101 department, 3 employees, total number of count. Similarly, 103, 2 employees. Now, we want only the least 3 employees, mean the lowest third employee salary. So in each department wise, for example, if we check with 101, 49,000, 47 and 45,000. So if we get the lowest wise third employee, so 101 and in 102, what is the third highest salary, third least salary, 42. In 103, least salary, 43. So these details we had to get. So for this, I will put this one entire thing in the subquery and write with the whatever the columns we required. So select employee ID, employee name, department ID, employee salary. This one entire thing will store as in X, where now we have the row number, we know. So if row number equals to case, here I'm writing with the case. So if we get the, when total employees count greater than or equals to 3, then 3, else total employees. So if total employees is greater than 3, then it will display as usual. Or else if total employees less than 3, then it will display as this number. For example, in total employees 2. So if we execute this part, we will get the result. So 101 John Doe 45,000, 102 42,000, 103 43,000. So this way we will get the, this is the method 1. So this way we will get the, by using subquery, we will get the lowest lowest third salary. Okay. Method 2. So I hope method 2 is fine. Same thing, but it's easy to understand method 2. So like I have copied with the same thing, this one, select star, row number, count, etc. So if you look at this same thing, I get the same thing, total employees. Okay. The same thing I have put with the CTE. So with CTE ranked salaries up to this part. So CTE created. Now I will get the CTE details. So I want only, I don't want this to show with this one. So now I have write with select employee ID, employee name, department ID, employee salary from ranked salaries, where up to, if we check with this part, this is CTE. So I get the all the details, right? So within this part, if you execute, same thing. Except these 2 row numbers, I am not getting in the CT in the this query. Okay. Now I have to filter with the, by using row number and total employees, I have to filter. Now what I can do is, where row num, so above also we have written the same case, right? Where condition, the same condition I have written here, where row num equals to case when total employees greater than or equals to 3, then 3, else total employees end. So if I execute this part, so we had filter this one. So 101, 102, 103. So each and every department wise, we get the least salary, bottom 3 salary. Okay. So this is by using method 2 CTE. So method 1 we have used as subquery. So which one is better? So as per comparison of the performance and everything, which query is to be better called as? So obviously method 2 is easy. So because so in method 2, it breaks down the problem into smaller steps. So first ranking. So this entire thing we have stored with the CTE part. So directly we have written the CTE and filter this one. Okay. So this is the 2 methods I have written with the this one to find the third lowest salary in each department with 2 methods. Method 1 is subquery, method 2 is CTE. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the content. I will share this code in the video description. Please look into it and check. Thank you.